I get asked all the time, how do I set goals? How do I achieve them? And the truth is, it's not always an easy answer. But let's start with the basics. People often say, I want to reach my goals because getting what I want makes me happy. And you know what? There is an element of truth to that. We all want to reach our goals, to get rewarded, to taste the success, the feeling of accomplishment, the sense that we've moved forward. That's the payoff we all crave. But here is where things get tricky. The rewards are important, no doubt. But the true secret doesn't lie in the rewards you get. The secret lies in the person you become in the process of reaching your goals. Think about it this way. Life is like a program. You write the code and then you run it. The code doesn't just run perfectly in one go. It's full of bugs, full of errors. You learn to debug, you learn to handle exceptions. You improve the code, making it more efficient, more powerful, more refined with every run. And the same happens with your goals. Reaching your goals isn't just about getting the rewards. It's about who you become while working towards them. It's about what you learn along the way, what skills you develop, what mindset shifts occur, what discipline you cultivate. Each step, each milestone, each challenge you face, it all shapes who you are. Just like refining code makes your program better, the challenges you face while pursuing your goals makes you better. And that's the beauty of it. Once you realize this, the journey doesn't feel like a grind. It becomes a path of self-discovery. You start to enjoy the journey, not just the destination. You start to find joy in the process itself because every step brings you closer to the best version of yourself. And that's what goal setting is really about. Becoming someone who is more disciplined, more focused, more resilient than before. And when you realize that, you stop stressing about end result. You stop worrying if the goal is big enough or perfect enough. You stop thinking that reaching the goal is the only thing that matters because you realize that you are building something more valuable, yourself. And that's what makes your journey worthwhile. So how do you set and achieve goals? First, understand that the goal is a tool. It's not just a reward, it's a means to develop yourself. Set goals that challenge you, goals that push you out of your comfort zone, goals that force you out to evolve. Then stay focused on the process, not just the prize. Track your progress, celebrate small wins, and when you face setbacks, treat them as learning opportunities, like debugging a stubborn piece of code. Don't be afraid of the challenges. They are what build your strength, what turns you into someone capable of achieving more. And most importantly, enjoy the process. Find joy in becoming someone who you can handle life challenges, who can bounce back from failures, who has a mindset to keep pushing forward. Because just like with programming, you get stronger, sharper, smarter with every iteration. So the next time you set a goal, remember, it's not just about what you get when you reach it. It's about who you become along the way, and that's the real success.